Hello, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay, so everyone, let us start.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, today
Sir,
I'll come. Yes, tell me, Shamli.
sir, will today's class be recorded?
Yes, it will be
Okay,
recorded.
thank you, sir.
Yes, can everyone see my screen? Tell me. Okay, okay, wait a minute. This is not your PDF. Okay, this is not your PDF. Let me see. Continuity. Yes, this is right. This is our PDF. Okay, so everyone, these were the homework questions. Okay, I'm going to write down the answers. You people match. Okay, first one, the answer is k equal to 1. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. First one, the answer is k equal to 1. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next, number two. Number two, p will be equal to 2. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me.
Sir, can you solve this one?
Number two.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. So we can over here it is given h of x equal to cos x whole to the power cot x plus sec x whole to the power cosec x. For x less than x greater than 0. And it is equal to p if x is equal to 0, and it is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 cos x if x is less than 0. You need to find out p if possible to make the function h of x continuous. So, Abhigyan, can you tell me what is the definition of continuity? How can we make the function continuous? I mean, what is the definition of continuity? Tell me.
By equating p with limit extends to plus x and minus x.
What? You said something, but I
Sir, by
couldn't
equating
understand.
p, sir, by equating p from 2 plus limit plus x and minus plus 0 and minus 0.
Means you are trying to say that limit x tends to 0 plus h of x must be equal to limit x tends to 0 minus h of x, right? Tell me. Is equal to h of x. Right. This is what you are talking about. Tell me. Tell me, Abhigyan. So limit x tends to 0 plus e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 cos x. Hello, Abhigyan, are you there? What happened?
Yes, sir.
Divided by x sin x. So tell me, Abhigyan, how to find out this limit? Tell me, Abhigyan, how to find out this limit?
Expansion of e to the power x.
Expansion. Okay, you can use expansion, not a problem. But I have a better method. You can use the L'Hopital, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, let us remove this sin x. Okay. Can I write it as divided by x multiplied by x? Tell me. Now see, this part will become 1. It will become e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 cos x divided by x square. So Abhigyan, over here, how many times do I need to differentiate? Tell me. To remove the indeterminate form. Abhigyan, how many times do I need to differentiate?
3.
3 times. Why? Why 3 times?
Differentiate. Sorry, sir. Uh, sir, can you repeat the question?
How we have to use the L'Hopital. You know the concept of L'Hopital, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many times do I need to differentiate?
So one time.
1 time. Will it be enough? After differentiating once, you'll get e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus 2 sin x divided by 2x. So after that, we should substitute x equal to 0. Tell me. When you substitute x equal to 0, you are going to get 0 by 0 form again.
Yes, sir. We have
Where
to
are
we
we?
have to differentiate it again.
Yes, 2 times, right? See the denominator. It is x
Yes, sir.
square. This will give us e to the power x. plus e to the power minus x plus 2 cos x divided by 2. Okay. Now you substitute x equal to 0. When you substitute x equal to 0, you are going to get 1 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Right. This should be equal to p. Then only it can be made continuous, right? But also,
Yes, sir.
again, you have to check whether left hand limit exists or not. Okay, then only it can be made continuous. Otherwise, there exists no solution. Okay. Acha, everyone, this one I did it using L'Hopital. Can you people tell me how we can do it without L'Hopital? Raise your hand. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me a method of doing this without L'Hopital? Yes. Shashwato, tell me.
Sir, expanding all the
Oh,
functions.
okay, okay. Expansion. Okay. Any other? Can we use standard forms over here?
E to the
Is
power
it?
x minus 1 by x, something like that.
Yes. Can you
Factorizing
tell
it.
me completely? Okay, Ahi, tell me.
So we can break 2 cos x and like using the formula, and we can use standard forms from there.
How are you going to break? Tell me.
Like we can do e to the power x minus 1 plus e to the power minus x minus 1. We could write
Yes.
them separately.
You are talking about like this, right? E to the power x minus
Yes, sir.
1
Yes, sir.
plus e to the power minus x minus 1.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
use cos x equal to
Plus 2
2 plus.
minus 2 cos x.
Yes, sir.
Right, like this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I tell a method again?
Over here, see, she's saying plus 2 minus 2 cos x divided by x sin x. Okay. After this, Ahir, tell me.
Then I think we can proceed with normal standard forms by dividing. I have not
By
actually tried this method yet.
Sir, dividing by x squared.
Yes, sir.
dividing by x square. But there exists a problem, I guess. So let's see. Dividing by x square will work. E to the power x minus 1 by x square plus e to the power minus x minus 1 by x square. Okay, actually, this
Sir,
is
these
not
two are
work.
There
causing
are another
problem.
method. Can I?
No, this is becoming complicated. Something else. Something else. Tell me
Like if we
something.
take e to the power x and e to the power minus x as LCM, then we get e to the power 2x plus
Correct.
1.
This might work. So e to the power better you take e to the power minus x common.
Yes, I'm
Within
taking it.
brackets, you are going e to the power 2x minus 1,
Yes.
right? And
So we will
then
get 2 outside.
minus 2 cos x
Yes.
divided by x sin x.
Yes, sir.
After that, tell me,
Sir, there was a plus 1. So in order to make it minus 1, we will have to add another, like, uh,
where was plus 1? Where there was plus 1?
like I took LCM, so I am
Oh,
getting.
you took LCM. Acha, let us try it by your method. You took LCM.
I
When you
mean,
take
just
LCM,
I just thought of it.
okay.
I,
Acha, e to the power x. Then e to the power x, it's actually plus
yes, sir.
e to the power 2x plus 1.
So
Okay,
in order
then
to make it minus, we need to subtract and add. And then I
2
was
cos x divided by x sin x. Then tell me,
then in order to make it e to the power like x minus 1 form, we subtract and then add and then follow using
okay,
standard.
over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do we need to subtract?
Uh,
Minus 1 plus 2
yes, sir.
divided by
E to the power x.
e to the power x.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 cos x
Yes, sir.
divided by,
X sign,
divided by x sin x.
and then we can add 2 and subtract 2 and for the cos part, and then in the denominator we can make it x square into sin x by x.
Okay.
So,
So plus 2 over here, plus 2 and subtract 2.
yes.
Okay, where is this going? I hope this should go somewhere.
So I haven't tried it actually. I used a lot.
Okay. Okay, anyways. I have also used L'Hopital only. Wait,
Sir, but best is expansion.
wait. I'm telling you what to do. So we have got L equal to e to the power
Expansion.
x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 cos x divided by x sin x. Right. Sin x, you convert it into standard form x multiplied by x. This will be gone. L will be equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 cos x divided by x square. Now over here, what I'm going to do is, see, can I write it as L equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2 minus, oh, sorry, minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cos x by x square? Tell me everyone. Can I write this? Yes or no? Okay. So see, this will become L equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 divided by x square. Okay, divided by x square. Okay. Plus 2 minus 2 cos x by x square, that will become 1. Can you people understand? Okay. Now we need to focus over here. Okay. Achha, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take x equal to 2t. So what are we getting? We'll get L equal to e to the power 2t, e to the power 2t plus e to the power minus 2t minus 2 divided by uh 2t whole square, so 4t square. Okay, plus 1. Okay. So I think this should work. Let's see. E to the power 2t. So it is e to the power t plus 1 by e to the power t whole square plus 1 by e to the power t whole square minus 2 divided by 4t square minus 1. Just see, is the numerator a perfect square? What do you think, everyone? Tell me. Is it a perfect square? Yes or no? So it is becoming as e to the power t minus 1 by e to the power t divided by
Just plus one on the last step.
plus 1. Acha, plus 1 divided by t square. Okay, so basically t will go inside. It will become 2t whole square. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Up to this much, anyone having any doubt? So this will become L equal to e to the power 2t minus 1 by e to the power t into 2. Oh, wait a minute. 2 e to the power t into t plus 1 whole square. Acha, e to the power t minus 1. Everyone pay attention. E to the power 2t minus 1 divided by e to the power t it is. So wait. It should be divided by, in the numerator and denominator, we have to divide it by 2t.
Sir,
So it will
2t is
become
already there.
2t is already there, na? 2t is already there. That will become 1. It will become 1 square. So 1 square plus 1, that will become 2. Tell me, you people understood the second method? See, without using standard form, I mean without using expansion or L'Hopital. Tell me, has everyone understood second method? Tell me. See, whenever you get x square or so see, in the denominator you had x square. So you took x equal to 2t. If the denominator was x equal to x cube, then what substitution we should take? Tell me for x cube. What substitution you should have taken? Tell me everyone. For x cube. Hello. See, for x square, you have taken x equal to 2t.
So 3t.
For x cube, take x equal to 3t. Okay, anyways. So I've got the limit. Next, let us take a left-hand limit. Okay, everyone. Limit x tends to 0 minus. Okay, h of x. Limit x tends to 0 minus h of x. This will be equal to limit x tends to 0 minus cos x whole to the power cot x plus sec x whole to the power cosec x whole to the power cosec x. Acha, both are 1 to the power infinity form, right? Both are 1 to the power infinity form. Tell me, are you getting Abhigyan? So let us apply. This will become e to the power limit x tends to 0 minus cot x into cos x minus 1. Okay, we have to divide by x square and multiply it by x square. Okay, see, it is becoming 0. Plus, this will become e to the power limit x tends to 0 minus cosec x into sec x minus 1. This one will also be equal to 0. Okay, when you divide by x square and multiply by x square. Tell me, Abhigyan, are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you have understood this, see, it will become e to the power 0 plus e to the power 0, that is 2. Okay, therefore p has to be equal to 2. Tell me, is it clear, Abhigyan?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you show the last method once? I mean, not that T method.
T method. Okay. Tell me, anyone having any doubt in this T method, let me know. Tell me, Shashwato, did you understand? Shashwato, Ahir,
Yes, sir.
Adrija, Agniba, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Som, tell me.
So, if you have a problem like limit x tends to 0, f of x into g of x, where f of x is an indeterminate form, say 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So,
Hmm.
in this problem, can I use L'Hospital particularly in the small part of that entire function, like in f of x, and leave g of x as it is?
Yes, in case of product, it is possible, but don't do it in case of addition or subtraction.
Acha. Okay.
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 In case of addition, the other limit will be solved separately. This limit will be solved separately. Okay.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Sir, was
Yes.
it necessary to take that as 2T? Like,
X equal to 2t.
yes, like e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2, it's already a whole square.
It's already a whole square. Wait. Ah, yes. You are correct only. I could have done it over here. E to the power x by 2 minus e to the power x by 2. Yes, you are correct. E to the power minus. Yes, everyone pay attention. I could have done it over here instead of taking x equal to 2t. E to the power x by 2 minus 1 by e to the power x by 2 whole square. E to the power x actually. Whole square. And then over here we have x. Right, like this. Tell me. E to the power x minus 1 by x, this will become 1. Yes, I could have done it over here. Yes, you are correct. Okay, but anyway, Srijita, is it clear? This one?
Yes, sir, I was trying using that method after you said
Okay.
this.
Tell me, Anvesha, Rasheshwari, Madhurjo, did you people understand method 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Shesi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3, A belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1, union 1 comma infinity. Next, this one, find A and B for which f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay. So over here, A was given as, let me see, A is equal to minus 3, B equals to minus root 3 by 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Okay, 5 part 1. 5 part 1, missing. 5 part 1 is missing. Missing point discontinuity. 5 part 2, non-removable. Oh, no, no. Part 2 is over here. Non-removable in infinite type. Non-removable infinite type. Next. Next one is also non-removable. Infinite type. Okay. Next one is oscillatory. Okay. And fifth one is non-removable infinite type. Infinite type. Yes, tell me, Soham. You are asking something.
So number 2, at x equal to pi by 2, the function is not defined. Right?
So pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus, you check.
Yeah, the limit exists, but the function is not defined at pi by 2.
Limit exists.
But the function is not defined at pi by 2. No,
Limit exists.
no, the limit is not existing. Okay, that's true.
Okay.
That's true.
Next, number 6. Minus half. Number 7. K equal to 1. Number 8. A equal to 1. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. These are all easy problems. Number 9. ln2. Number 10. Option A. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. You can ask me now. Tell me, Oipsha, Adrija,
Sir, could you
You
show
answer
me
the
the answer
answer
of
from itself.
7?
Rishabh, number 7. Okay. Pratyay, anyone having any doubt? Ahir, tell me. Ronak, Samragni, Shanaya. Anyone having any doubt? Shamali, Shinika, anyone? Okay, number 11. Number 10. Number 10 is option A. Number 11 is given as ABD. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Tell me, Shrita, you have any doubt? Shrita, Shavankit, Ritam.
So can you solve 10?
Number 10. It's given f of x equal to limit theta tends to 0, cos pi x minus x to the power 2 by theta into sin x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 2 by theta x minus 1. Consider the following statements. F of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. And number 2, f of x is continuous at x equal to minus 1. Okay, so we have to check the continuity around 1. Okay,
So what is the answer of number 9?
which one?
9.
Number 9, ln2.
Could you solve this one?
Number 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to solve number 10, then
Okay.
number 9. Okay. So in number 9, f of x is given to us. Okay, limit theta tends to 0. So first of all, see, this is a problem of built-in limit. Right, tell me, understand? Are you getting Shrita? Who asked? Shrita only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a problem of built-in limit. Can you understand? We have to define f of x around theta equal to 0. Right, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us start. For theta greater than 0 and theta less than 0, what is going to happen? Let's see. Okay. So over here, case 1. Okay, case 1. Over here, see, in the numerator, we have x to the power 2 by theta, and in the denominator also, we have x to the power 2 by theta. Okay, so let us talk about theta over here. Okay, as theta is greater than 0, okay, theta is equal to 0 plus. Where does 2 by theta tends to? 2 by theta tends to infinity, right? Tell me.
Plus infinity.
And as theta tends to 0, as theta tends to 0 minus, 2 by theta tends to minus infinity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we need to understand what will happen with x. Okay, okay, so basically the power is infinity. Whether it is positive infinity or minus negative infinity, the power is infinity. Okay, so there can be two cases. Like we used to define around 1. Okay, case 1. When mod of x is less than 1. When mod of x is less than 1 and 2 by theta tends to infinity, okay, you can understand that x to the power 2 by theta will tend to, tell me,
0.
0. Okay, so what will be f of x? Tell me. When mod of x is less than 1, tell me, what will be f of x? Tell me, Shita. Very easy.
Sir, can you show the question? I don't have it.
What will be f of x? F of x will be just cos pi x. Can you see?
Yes, sir, just cos pi x.
Just cos pi x. Okay, next. Case 2. Case 2, when mod of x is greater than 1. In this case, 2 by theta will tend to infinity. And whenever 2 by theta tends to infinity, we tend to divide by 2 x to the power 2 by theta. Right? So it will become f of x will be equal to limit theta tends to 0. Limit theta tends to 0 cos pi x divided by x to the power 2 by theta minus sine of x minus 1 divided by 1 by x to the power 2 by theta plus x minus 1. Achha, this part is gone, 0. This part is also gone, 0. You are going to get minus sine of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Tell me. We have done this kind of problem, right? In built-in limit, Shrita. Do you remember? I
Yes,
think similar kind of problem. Over there also cos pi x was there only, I guess. Anyways, pay attention. So over here, what do we get? In this case, what is the value of f of x?
minus 1.
F of x will be equal to
No, so
minus 1.
yes, sir.
But actually, not minus 1. It will
No,
be
not
minus sine of
minus sin is x minus 1 by x
minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, because theta is gone. This will be the limit. Okay, now my task is what will happen in greater than 1 and less than 1, greater than minus 1, less than minus 1. So limit x tends to 1 plus. Achha, but over here, see, f of 1 is not even defined. Right, Shita? In this case, f of 1 is not defined. Okay. And f of minus 1, we have to check f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is cos of minus pi. So f of minus 1 can be possible. Let's see. Let's see. If x equal to 1, if x equal to 1, okay, what will we get? I have defined for less than 1 and greater than 1. For equal to 1, we didn't define. If x equal to 1, what do we get? F of x equal to 1 to the power 2 by theta is exactly 1 to the power 2 by theta only. Okay. And we have cos pi x. So cos of pi, okay, minus 1 to the power 2 by theta. That will be 1 to the power infinity, 1 only. 1 into sine 1 minus 1, that is 0, divided by 1 plus 1 to the power 2 by theta into 0. This will become cos pi. Cos pi is -1. Tell me. For exactly at x equal to 1, you are going to get f of x equal to -1. And if x equal to -1, f of x will be equal to cos of pi again. Cos of -pi and cos of pi, they will be same. So -1, okay, -1 minus 1 into sine of -1, that is -2, divided by 1 plus 1 into -2. Okay, this will become 1 minus sine 2. Right, tell me. So finally, f of x will be equal to minus sine of x minus 1 by x minus 1 when mod of x is greater than 1. It will be equal to cos pi x. When mod of x is less than 1, it will be equal to -1. When x is equal to 1, it will be equal to 1 minus sine 2. When x is equal to -1. Tell me. Are you getting Shita?
Yes.
Rest you can solve.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is f of 0 plus? Tell me. What is the value? Sorry, f of 1 plus.
So
Okay.
1 plus is -1.
1 plus is -1. And f of 1 minus
-1.
-1. What is f of 1?
It's -1.
Oh, so it is continuous at x equal to 1.
Yes.
What are the options? Acha, it is written discontinuous at x equal to 1. So statement 1 is not true. Right. Statement 2 is continuous at x equal to -1. So we have to check -1 plus and -1 minus. I think rest you can solve it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Tell me, anyone else having any doubt in the homework questions? Tell me, Agniba, you have any doubt? Agniba, Adrito, Rashishwari, Ritam?
No, sir.
Okay, so we can continue.
No, sir.
What have we done last? Okay, oscillatory, all these things we were doing. Okay, today I'll complete this chapter. Let's see. Okay, let us start.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, tell me.
sir, could you solve question number 9?
Question number 9. Oh, acha, somebody asked question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I had asked, but I got it correct. I was getting 3 by 4 ln2. It would be 4
Okay.
by 4 ln2 and ln2.
Yes, Rishabh, pay attention. Hello, Rishabh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So over here, what do we need to find out? Whether it is, it's continuous at x equal to 0, right? So f of 0 plus will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 8 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x plus 1 divided by x square. Is it possible to factorize in the numerator? Take 4 to the power x common. Can you understand? Rishabh, 4 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 1 divided
Yes,
by
sir.
x square. This is nothing but ln4 into ln2. Right, tell me, Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Next, f of 0 minus.
Okay, sir.
F of 0,
I will do the rest, sir. I got the rest.
you'll be able to do the rest, right?
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, so next, everyone, our next topic is continuity of a function. Continuity of a function defined by some functional rule. Continuity of a function defined by some functional rule. Pay attention. For example, I mean, what kind of questions will come? For example, f of x plus y. If f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all x, y belongs to R. For all x comma y belongs to R. Okay, and f of x equal to 1 plus small g of x into capital G of x, where limit x tends to 0, g of x equal to 0. Okay, everyone. Limit x tends to 0, g of x equal to 0, and limit x tends to 0, g of x exists, capital G of x exists. Okay, prove that f of x is continuous. Prove that f of x is continuous for all x. Okay, you people think about this question. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to think. After that, I'll solve. Okay, you just have to tell me the approach. No need to solve the question. Just tell me the approach. How will you approach? Okay, once you have got it, just raise your hand. Okay, you have to tell me the approach. Tell me, anyone got any approach to this problem? Tell me. Raise your
So,
hand. Don't speak up in between. Raise your hand. Yes, tell me, Ahid.
sir, we can evaluate the limit of f of x since it's defined because the limit of g of x and capital G of x is defined. So we can find that when it tends to 0. And we can also find the value of f of 0.
Okay. Achha, so over here, when can we say that f of x is continuous? Tell me. Over here, when can we say that f of x exists?
When limit tends to 0 minus 0 plus and f of 0 are equal.
Correct. But over here, only the functional equation is given to us. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
From here we can find the value of f of 0.
F of 0. Okay. So what is
Yes,
f of
sir.
0? Tell me. F of 0 is equal to
1 or 0.
0 or 1. Then there will be two
Yes, sir.
cases.
Yes,
Go
sir.
on, tell me. After that,
After that we can find the limit, like we can find g of x equal to 0. So f of x tends to 0 will be, the limit will be 0. Sorry, 1. 1 plus 0 since the limit of g of x is 0.
acha, pay attention. Pay attention, everyone. Over here, if I prove, so to prove, to prove f of x is continuous. Okay, if I just prove if I just prove that limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equal to f of x, my problem is done. Tell me, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
If I just prove this, if I just prove this, then my problem is done. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Hello, are the people getting? If I just prove this, that limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equal to f of x, my problem is done. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Over here, what is f of x plus h? Tell me.
F of x into f of h.
F of x into f of h. Right.
Sir, I've got it. Like, I've understood what to do now.
Okay. Wait a
Sir,
minute.
f of 0 has to be equal to 1 only. And then we can find from the equation, we can find the continuous. Like, it's continuous for all x.
Okay. So over here, f of x plus h will be equal to f of x into f of h. Limit h tends to 0, f of x into f of h. Right. Tell me, everyone. Next. After this, can I take f of x outside? Because f of x uh, is a constant. If h is a variable, f of x is a constant. F of x will be equal to limit h I mean, it will be equal to f of x into limit h tends to 0, f of h. Okay. Next. Now tell me, what is f of h? F of h is equal to 1 plus g of h into capital G of h. Okay. So this will be equal to f of x into limit h tends to 0 into limit h tends to 0. 1 plus g of h into capital G of h. Right. Tell me, everyone. Are you people getting? Yes or no? G of h into capital G of h. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Okay. After this, you see what is given in the question. In the question, it is given limit x tends to 0, g of x is equal to 0. Right, everyone? So over here, what do we get? This will be equal to f of x into limit h tends to 0, 1 plus limit h tends to 0, g of h into capital G of h. Now tell me, everyone, what is limit h tends to 0, g of h? Tell me, what is the value?
0.
Over here, 0. And limit h tends to 0, 1 is 1. So this is equal to f of x. Okay. So what have we proved, everyone? We have proved that limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equal to f of x. Okay. Hence, f is continuous. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Hence, we can say f is continuous. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next. Okay, there was another point. Uh, yes. Continuity of some special types of function. Continuity. Continuity of some special types of function. Of special types of functions. Okay. f of x equal to f of x equal to signum of x. F of x equal to signum of x. Okay. So over here, we know that f of x equal to signum of x is discontinuous is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Okay. So we can say f of x equal to signum of, if it is given, f of x equal to signum of g of x is discontinuous at x equal to a if g of x equal to 0. Sorry. If g of a equal to 0. Okay. For example, discuss the continuity of of f of x equal to signum function of 2 cos x minus 1. Can anyone tell me where is it discontinuous? Tell me. Raise your hand. Where is this function discontinuous? Tell me. Can I say that signum function of 2 cos x minus 1 is discontinuous? Yes, somebody is raising the hand. Let's see. Yes, for this one, Adrija, tell me, where is it discontinuous?
Sir, it is discontinuous at x is equals to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3.
Correct, very good. 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies cos x should be equal to half. If cos x equal to half, this implies x equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Aisha, Agniba, are you people getting? Yes or no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
next. So similarly, I have another kind of function, part 2. F of x equal to box of x. Okay, so you people know box of x is discontinuous. Box of x is discontinuous when x is an integer. Box of x is discontinuous when x belongs to integers. Okay, wait a minute. Box of x is discontinuous when x belongs to integers. Okay, so can I say that f of g of x is discontinuous? Is discontinuous at x equal to a if g of a belongs to integers. Tell me everyone. Okay, let us do two problems. Question number 1. Draw the graph. Draw the graph and find the points of discontinuity. And find the points of discontinuity for f of x equal to box of 2 cos x for x belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. Okay, where this is GIF. Question number 2. Discuss the continuity of discuss the continuity of signum of x cube minus x. Solve. Tell me, is it done? Should I start, everyone? Number 1.
Sir, I'm sending.
Okay, send quickly.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so in number 1, I will answer the number of points of discontinuity and or the exact point where the function discontinues.
Exact.
Okay.
Find the points of discontinuity.
Sir, I've sent it to you.
Yeah, Aditya, you're making some slight mistake. Okay, Rishabh also making some mistake. Also draw the graph.
Sir, in both the graph and the points of discontinuity.
Uh, graph, graph, you're almost correct. There is one slight mistake. Okay, Rhythm, points of discontinuities are correct. Draw the graph.
I have drawn them, but I can't take a picture and send.
Okay, wait. Yes, Aditya, you are making a mistake with the graph as well. Samragni, check your answer again. Rishabh, I think now it is correct. Vaipsha, Vaipsha, actually, I cannot make out the graph. But points of discontinuities, you are missing out on some points. Shashwat, check your answer again. Okay, everyone, let us start. So, everyone, over here, we need to draw the graph and find the points of discontinuities of f of x equal to 2 cos x. I mean, box of 2 cos x. So, you people tell me, box of 2 cos x. What is the range of 2 cos x? Tell me. What is the range of 2 cos x? See how to draw the graph quickly. What is the range in 0 to 2 pi? Tell me. Minus 2 to 2, right? Tell me, everyone. Between 0 to 2 pi. And how will the graph look like? Draw the graph of 2 cos x quickly.
So could you once check?
The graph will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. Okay. The graph will look somewhat like this. Now we need to understand at what points they are becoming an integer. Okay, this is what you need to understand. At what points they are becoming an integer. At what points they are becoming an integer. It's very important to understand. Let's see. Okay. So graph is not correct. Okay. So we need to understand at what points they are becoming an integer. So what are the integral values it can take? Range of 2 cos x. Everyone pay attention. Range of 2 cos x. It will be equal to either it can be -1 or it can be +1 or it can be 0 or 1 or 2. Right. Oh, acha, -2 is also possible.
Yes, sir.
-2. 1, -2, -1, 1. I've written 1 twice. Why? I don't know. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the values it can take. Acha, tell me, everyone. If 2 cos x is equal to -2, what are the values of x? Tell me. If 2 cos x equal to -2, what are the values of x? Tell me, everyone. 2 cos x equal to -2. This implies cos x equal to -1. Right. And if cos x equal to -1, x equal to, okay, wait a minute. Not only over here, pay attention, everyone. From -1 to -2, see, this is the line of -1. Okay, this is the line exactly at 2. Okay, y equal to minus 2. Okay, this is the line y equal to 1, and this is the line y equal to 2. Okay, pay attention. Okay, if box of 2 cos x, pay attention. Box of 2 cos x is equal to minus 2. Okay, where will the graph break? The graph will start breaking from here at exactly at this point. So we need to understand at what point 2 cos x equal to minus 1. 2 cos x equal to minus 1. What is the value of x? This implies cos x will be equal to, tell me everyone, what is the value of cos x? Minus half. So what is the value of x? X will be equal to pi minus pi by 3 and pi plus pi by 3. Right, tell me everyone. That will give us how much? 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. So over here I've got 2 points, 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Are you people getting? At x equal to 2 pi by 3 and at x equal to 4 pi by 3, the graph will break. Next. Achha, for 2 cos x equal to minus 2, I'll get only pi. Okay. Next. But it will just be minus 2. It is of no use. Achha, next. For 2 cos x equal to 0, what's the value of cos x? Cos x will be equal to, cos x will be equal to 0 only. This implies x equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So these are another 2 points. Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. These are another 2 points of discontinuity. Next. Achha, 2 cos x can be equal to 1. 2 cos x equal to 1. This implies cos x equal to half. Cos x equal to half. That means x equal to pi by 3 and pi minus pi by 3. Or you can say 2 pi minus pi by 3. That will give us 5 pi by 3. So another 2 points, everyone. Next. See, the graph is starting from here at exactly x equal to 0 and at exactly x equal to 2 pi. At exactly at exactly x equal to 0 and exactly at x equal to 2 pi. 2 cos x will be equal to 2. Okay, are the people getting? So 0 and 2 pi will be another 2 points of discontinuity. So therefore, points of discontinuity are 0, pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 3, and 2 pi. Now I'm going to draw the graph. Pay attention. How will the graph look like? At exactly x equal to 0, 2 cos x will be equal to 2. At exactly x equal to 0, 2 cos x will be equal to 2. At exactly, now after that it will become 1. Okay, everyone. So it
So
will
at x
start from
equal to
1
pi, there will be another one.
Yes,
at
sir.
x equal to pi.
So 2 cos pi is minus
2 cos pi. Yes, yes, Shrita, you are saying something. Cos pi is equal to,
cos pi is minus 1, so 2 cos pi is minus 2.
okay. 2 cos pi is minus 2. After that, it starts decreasing, right? Over here. Pay attention. In this range, Shrita, in this range, box function will return minus 2 only. So it is continuous. Are you getting? See,
Yes.
from this range to this range, box function will return minus 1 only. Tell me, are the people getting yes
Yes.
or no? Okay. So from 0 to pi by 3, it will return 1. From 0 to pi by 3, it will return 1. Tell me, are you people getting? From pi by 3 to pi by 2, it will return 0. If you are having any doubt, tell me. This is how the graph is going to look like. Then from pi by 2 to pi by 3, it will return -1. Okay. Then 2 pi by 3 to 4 pi by 3, it will return -2. Okay. It will return -2. And from 4 pi by 3 to 3 pi by 2. From 4 pi by 3 to 3 pi by 2, it will return again 1. Then 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 3, it will return 0. From 5 pi by 3 to 2 pi, it will return 1. Are you people able to understand? Yes or no? How I am drawing the graph? Tell me. And exactly at x equal to 2 pi, it will be over here. Tell me. Has everyone understood the graph? Tell me. Are you people getting? Adrija, Oipsha, Ahir, Rasheshwari, Shrita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
upper dots are 2.
Upper two dots are 2. Exactly at x equal to 0 and 2 pi, it will return 2. After that, it starts decreasing. Right, Adrija?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Shania, is it clear? Shania, Shashwato, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See how you can draw the graph quickly. See, once you draw the graph of 2 cos x, just just keep on drawing straight lines. This will be just dotted line. Okay. From here to here, there will be a straight line. Okay. Then from here to here, there will be a straight line. From here to here, there will be a straight line. From here to here, there will be a straight line. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay, from here to here. Then from here to here, there will be a straight line. Like this, you keep on drawing straight lines. Okay, whatever the box function will return. Okay, everyone. Whatever the box function will return. Tell me. Are you people getting? Next. Solve number 2. Signum function of x cube minus x. Is Samragni right answer?
Sir, I had sent you 2, but I wrote question number 1.
Oh, I thought you have written question number 1.
No, sir, it was question number 2.
Then it is correct. Yes, Adrisha, your answer is correct. Okay, Ritam, check your answer again. Okay.
I have edited my answer. Can you check once again?
Now it is correct. Oipsha, right answer. This one is easy, everyone. Tell me. Question number 2. This one is easy. Shubhangi, right answer. Rishabh, right answer. Others also write your answers. Shinika, write your answers. Shinika, Ritam. Oh, Ritam, you have written it. Ronak, Sanaya, write your answers. Signum of x cube minus x. When will it return? When will it be equal to
Sir,
0?
I gave my answer.
You have given it. Let's see. Shashwato, write your answers. Okay. Shania, you have to write down the points of discontinuity. Yes, Akliba, right answer. Soham, right answer. Pay attention, everyone. Number 2. Shania, check your answer again. Over here, you need to tell. Okay, Ronak, check your answer again. At what points x cube minus x will be equal to 0? Tell me, everyone. Signum of x cube minus x is discontinuous. Is discontinuous when x cube minus x equal to 0. So what are the values of x, everyone? If x cube minus x equal to 0, x equal to 0 plus minus 1. Done. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next.
Sir, I thought we have to draw the graph.
Hmm?
I thought we have to draw the graph.
I just wrote discuss the continuity. See? Okay. But anyway, Shashwato, graph is very easy. You see, signum of x cube minus x. If you want to draw the graph. Okay, how will x cube minus x look like? Tell me.
So like a cubic function.
Like cubic function. Okay, the critical points are -1, -1. Wait a minute. Okay, -1. Wait a minute. -1, 0, 1. Okay, so how will it look like? It will look somewhat like this. Right, tell me.
Sir, I have drawn the graph. Can I send it?
Send
Okay, sir.
look somewhat like this. Okay, between -1 and 0, it will return 1. Right, between -1 and 0, it will return 1. See, this is how the graph will look like. Okay, this green one is the graph. Everyone, pay attention. Between -1 and 0, it will return 1. After that, it will return -1 over here. Okay, return 1, -1. Okay, after -1 over here also, it will start returning 1. And at the critical points, it will return 0. Tell me, did you people understand how the graph will look like? Tell me. This green one is the graph of signum function of x cube minus x. Next, theorems on continuity. Let me see, Shashwato, you have drawn the graph.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shashwato, see, I have also drawn the same graph. Oh no, Shashwato, there is some mistake with your graph. I hope you are able to identify.
Sir, with the closed and open dots.
Yes, closed and open dots. Critical points, at critical points, it will return 0.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next, theorems on continuity, everyone. Pay attention. Theorems on continuity. Theorems on continuity, pay attention. Okay. Sum, difference, product, and quotient. Sum, difference, product, and quotient. Sum, difference, product, and quotient of two continuous function. Of two continuous function is always continuous. Is always continuous. Okay. Next. However, h of x is equal to f of x by g of x. F of x equal to, h of x equal to f of x by g of x is continuous at x, is continuous at x equal to a only if g of a is not equal to 0. That means the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay, then only we can say that h of x is continuous. Next, if f of x is continuous, if f of x is continuous and g of x is discontinuous, and g of x is discontinuous. If f of x is continuous and g of x is discontinuous, then f of x plus minus g of x is of course discontinuous. Okay, then of course we can say that f of x plus g of x is discontinuous. Next, if f of x is continuous, if f of x is continuous and g of x is discontinuous at x equal to a, is discontinuous at x equal to a, then f of x into g of x is not necessarily discontinuous at x equal to a. Okay. Next, if both f of x and g of x, if both f of x and g of x are discontinuous, at x equal to a, then nothing can be said. Then nothing can be said about the continuity of f of x plus minus g of x. Means we cannot say whether these will be continuous or discontinuous. F of x into g of x and f of x by g of x. Okay. For example, f of x equal to cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi is continuous at x equal to 1. Right? Tell me everyone. This function is continuous at x equal to 1. And g of x equal to box of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. Is discontinuous at x equal to 1. Acha, can anyone tell me whether f of x into g of x, okay, is continuous or discontinuous at x equal to 1? Tell me. Raise your hand. You have to tell me whether f of x into g of x is continuous at x equal to 1 or not. F of x is equal to cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi is continuous at x equal to 1. G of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. You have to tell me. Their product is continuous or not. Raise your hand. Yes, Aditya, tell me. Is it continuous?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So Aditya, tell me, what is f of x into g of x? F of x into g of x will be equal to cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into, pi into box of x. So what is limit x tends to 1? What is limit x tends to 1? Cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi.
Sir, it is 0.
This will be equal to 0. Correct. So hence, and over here, what is f of 1 into g of 1? F of 1 into g of 1 will be equal to
0.
0 only. Therefore, f of x into g of x becomes continuous. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Oipsha, are you getting? Oipsha, Vigyan, Shamali, Shubhangi, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Adrito, are you
Yes.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So note. So if a function whose limit is tending to 0, whose limit is tending to 0, is multiplied to a discontinuous function, is multiplied to a discontinuous function, to a discontinuous function, okay, 0 into any discontinuous function, okay, you'll get 0. So the resultant function becomes continuous. The resultant function becomes continuous. Becomes continuous. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Next. Our next theorem is very, very, very important. Okay, you people must have heard of it also. Intermediate value theorem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very important, everyone. If you see PYQs, you'll understand. And also, this theorem and one more theorem. Okay, a lot of questions are asked in ISI's entrance also. Okay, intermediate value theorem, IVT. Acha, anyone will be giving ISI's entrance also? Raise
Sir,
your
I
hand.
will be giving.
Okay. Raise your hand. How many of you are going to give ISI's entrance? ISI, CMI entrance also? Okay, two. Only two people.
Sir, what is the name
Rajesh.
of the
ISI, Indian Statistical Institute. Also, only three people. Okay. Yes, many people are focused on JEE only. Anyways, if f is continuous, if f is continuous on close A comma p, and f of a is not equal to f of b, if f is continuous on close a comma b and f of a is not equal to f of b for some value, c belongs to f of a comma f of b. See everyone, it is very important and very interesting. There exist, then there exist, there is at least one c, one number, sorry, not one c, one number x naught in a comma b. It's very easy, everyone. X naught in a comma b for which f of x naught equal to c. Pay attention, everyone. I'll prove it. Pay attention. Okay. Acha, see this concept is very similar to this concept is very similar to location of roots, if you remember. To location of roots in quadratic. Okay. Do you remember? In quadratic equations, we have done it.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember, everyone? If f of a into f of b is less than 0, if f of a into f of b is less than 0, then what do we say? There exists at least one root. There exists at least one c belongs to a comma b such that one c belonging to a comma b such that f of c equal to 0. Right, everyone, tell me. Yes or no? And this is the point c. Okay. There exists at least one c belonging to a comma b such that f of c equal to 0. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
Adrija, Abhigyan, Adrito, Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
Ritam, are you people getting? Do you people remember? Sanaya, are you getting? Shashwata,
Yes,
are you
sir.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Sridhita, Shubhangi, Shubhankit, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So see everyone, I'll show you with the help of the graph how intermediate value theorem works. Okay, graphical proof. Okay, you draw the graph between A and B. Any way you want, your choice. Okay, between these two points, A and B, between these 2 points, A and B, you draw the graph any way you like. Okay, I'm going to draw it like this. Okay, this is a function. Okay, this is a function. Okay, very important, everyone. If you understand this intermediate value theorem, later on you'll be able to understand Rowe's theorem also. Rowe's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Pay attention, everyone. This is the first mean value theorem we are doing. Pay attention. Intermediate value theorem. So everyone, the corresponding value at A, this is f of A. The corresponding value at B, this is f of B. Now the theorem says that, see in the question, in the theorem, see the statement. The theorem states that for some value c belongs to f of A and f of B. You people see, I want to find out a point between f of A and f of B. This is a continuous function. I want to find out a point between f of A and f of B. Let us call this as C. Okay. There exists at least one x not belonging to A comma B such that there can be multiple, but there exists at least one x naught belonging to a comma b such that f of x naught is equal to c. Tell me, you draw the graph any way you want. Tell me, any way you want to draw the graph, draw it. You'll get the same result. There will exactly, I mean, not exactly, at least one x naught belonging to a comma b such that f of x naught is equal to c. See, I'm going to show you multiple points between a and b such that f of x naught is equal to c. Pay attention. If I draw the graph like this, pay attention. If I draw the graph like this, okay, this is f of a and this is f of b. Okay. Now you take c over here. Pay attention, everyone. This is c. Okay, corresponding to c between f of a and f of b. How many xi's you are getting? Tell me, everyone. How many xi's you are getting between a and b? How many xi's you are getting?
3.
3. Are you people getting? So there will exist at least one. If you people have any doubt, you can ask me now. Ritam, are you getting the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. However you want to draw the graph. Okay, just draw a continuous function, everyone. Okay. However you would want to draw the graph, you'll get the same result. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. Is there anyone having any doubt? Shashwato, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ahir, Adrija, is it clear? Madhurjo,
So,
Shanaya,
Yes.
Shinika, are you
Yes, sir.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Rasheshwari, Shuvankit, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So let us see the proof. Okay, now let us come to mathematical proof. Okay, everyone. So, so everyone, over here, I am considering that f of a is, now see, it can happen that f of a is greater than f of b. Are you getting? For a decreasing function, f of a can be greater than f of b. Acha, so over here, without loss of generality, without loss of generality, suppose, suppose f of a is less than some k belongs to f of a and f of b. This is not case c, f of b. Okay, everyone. Suppose this is how the situation is. F of a is less than c is less than f of b. Okay. Now we need to prove that there exists some x naught belonging to a comma b such that f of x naught is equal to c. Okay. Now everyone, I'm going to define a set S is equal to x belong to closed a comma b such that f of x is less than or equal to c. Okay, everyone. I have defined this set. Now over here, number one, the set S is non-empty. Right, everyone. There exist at least some points such that, I mean, such that f of x is less than c. Okay. Now, why S is non-empty? Pay attention, everyone. There exists some, I mean, f of a. F of a is, of course, less than c. Right, tell me, everyone. S is non-empty. Can you people understand? A belongs to this set, yes or no? Such that f of a is less than c by looking at this inequality. Tell me, are you people getting? Next. Number two, I can say that the set S is bounded by B. Okay. Next. Now I want to show I want to show that. Okay, I want to show that there exists at least one x naught belonging to AB. Acha, everyone, wait a minute. Okay, to show that, to show that there exists some x naught belonging to A comma B, such that f of x naught is equal to C. I want to show this. Okay. Acha, suppose okay, f of x naught. Oh, wait a minute. There should be some other method of proving. Acha, wait. I'm taking a lot of pain. Okay, using sets. Pay attention. Okay, so suppose f of A is less than C is less than B. Okay, I'm going to take a function. Let q of x is equal to f of x minus C. Okay, everyone. Let us say let q of x is equal to f of x minus C. Acha, tell me everyone, what is q of A? Tell me. Q of A equal to f of A minus C. This is greater than 0 or less than 0? Tell me. Tell me everyone.
0.
Less than 0. Next. What is Q of B? Q of B is less than 0 or greater than 0?
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0. This is f of B minus C. Okay. So everyone, can I say that Q of A into Q
So
of
greater
B?
than 0.
Greater than 0. Sorry. Can I say that Q of B, A into Q of B is less than 0? Tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Can I say this? Q of A into Q of B is less than 0? Tell me, Samragni, Ronak, Rishabh, Soham,
Yes, sir.
Pratyay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what can we say? There exists some C belonging to A comma B. Sorry, X dot belonging to A comma B, such that Q of X not equal to 0. Right, everyone, tell me. Can I say this? Yes or no? And what is Q of X naught? Q of X naught is equal to f of X naught minus C equal to 0. This implies f of X naught is equal to C. Hence proved mathematically. Tell me, Adrija, is it clear? Abhigyan, Oipsha,
Yes, sir.
Agnibha, Pratyay, is it clear? Anyways, I don't
Yes,
think so.
sir.
They will ask you the proof, but I still showed you the proof of intermediate value theorem. Okay, let us do some problems. Question number 3. Prove that. Yes, Oipsha, tell me. Oipsha, your voice is very faint. Okay, it is coming very faintly. Cannot hear you properly. Prove that the function. Prove that the function f of x equal to a into root over x minus 1 plus b into root over 2x minus 1 minus root over 2x square minus 3x plus 1, where a plus 2b equal to 3 and a comma b belongs to real numbers or b not equal to 0, always has a root. always has a root in 1, 5 for all B belongs to real numbers. Solve. Question number 4. Let f be a continuous function. Let f be a continuous function defined onto on defined onto on close 0, 1 with range close 0, 1 show that there exists some C belongs to close 0, 1 such that f of C is equal to 1 minus C. Solve.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, over there, in before x naught, what have you written? That sign. Symbol. Over there, yes.
Before x naught, oh, there exists.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
There exists. Okay, solve these ones. Okay, let us start, everyone. Number 3.
So please.
Sir, I'm sending it to you.
Okay, send. Yes, Adija, your answer is correct. Okay, let us start. Pay attention, everyone. Over here, we need to prove that it always has a root in 1 comma 5. So let us find out what is f of 1. F of 1 is equal to b. And what is f of 5? F of 5 is equal to a into root over 5 minus 1. That is 2a. Plus b into 10 minus 1. That is plus 3b. Minus root over 2 into 5 square. That is 50. Minus 15 plus 1. That is 6. So that is 2a plus 3b minus 6. 2a plus 3b minus 6. So I've got f of a. I've got f of b. Okay. It is asking us that, okay, and a plus 2b equal to 3. A plus 2b equal to 3. Okay, so we can do something about it. A plus 2b equal to 3. We can substitute a. A equal to 3 minus 2b. So it will become 2a, sorry, 2 into 3 minus 2b plus 3b minus 6. This will give us 6 minus 4b plus 3b minus 6. These two will get cancelled. You are going to get minus b. So I've got f of 1 equal to b. F of 5 is equal to minus b. F of 1 into f of 5 is equal to minus b square, which is less than 0, everyone. Right, tell me, everyone. F of 1 into f of 5 is equal to minus b square, which is always less than 0. This implies there exists at least one root. At least one root in 1 comma 5. Tell me, are the people getting yes or no? Tell me, Shrita, is it clear? Shrita, Shresi, Shwankit, Shubhangi, are the people getting?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Shinika, Samragni, Ritam, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Soham, Rishabh, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay, next one also let me solve. F be a continuous function onto on 0, comma 1 with range 0, comma 1. Okay, it's an onto function. We need to show that there exists at least some c belonging to 0, comma 1 such that f of c equal to 1 minus c. Okay. So everyone, by looking at the expression f of c equal to 1 minus c,
Sir,
okay,
could
if
you
you,
give a minute?
okay, solve. Just recall the proof of intermediate value theorem. I mean, how I proved intermediate value theorem. Pay attention. Yes, form, is it done?
I was doing so. Okay, sir, you start. So,
Okay. Ahir, are you solving?
I've solved partially, but I cannot send you. I
Okay.
don't have any more charge in my
Will.
phone, so I
Oh,
cannot
acha.
send.
I thought you said I don't have any more willpower. So anyways, pay attention. Yes, tell me. I hear you are saying something.
Sir, willpower
Okay.
and
Okay. Anyways, I was just kidding. Pay attention, everyone. F of x not equal to c, everyone. Pay attention. By looking at f of x equal to c in intermediate value theorem, and by looking at f of c equal to 1 minus c. Okay, what kind of function you have to take? Tell me. Just look at the expression. You have to prove f of c equal to 1 minus c. Your task is to prove f of c equal to 1 minus c. So let q of x equal to f of x minus of 1 minus c. Are you people getting? Sorry, minus of 1 minus x. Now, if I prove that q of 0 into q of 1 is less than 0, my problem is done. Right, everyone? So let us see what is q of 0. Q of 0 is equal to f of 0 minus 1. Right. Acha, what is the range, everyone? F of 0 lies between 0 and 1 only, right? Tell me. F of 0 lies between 0 and 1. So 0, comma 1 minus 1. This will lie between minus 1, comma 0. Right. Tell me, everyone. Yes or no? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
people getting? Okay. Next. What is Q of 1? Q of 1 equal to f of 1 minus 0. Now, what is f of 1? F of 1 will lie between 0 and 1 only. Okay. Acha, let us multiply it. Let us multiply q of 0 into q of 1. Q of 0 into q of 1. This will give us f of 0 minus 1 multiplied by f of 1, which will give us f of 0 into f of 1 minus 1 minus f of 1. Okay, everyone? Acha, if you look at it very closely, pay attention, everyone. If you look at it very closely, acha, forget about it. It is f of 0 minus 1 into f of 1. Okay. Okay. F of 0 into f of 1. Forget about this. F of 0 minus 1. F of 0 minus 1. This will be lying between minus 1 and 0. Right. Tell me, everyone. This will be lying between minus 1 and 0. And f of 1 lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So see, everyone, if you choose any real number between these two numbers, and if you choose any real number between these two numbers, okay, can I say this is always less than or equal to 0? Tell me, everyone. Can I say that this is always less than or equal to 0? This implies there exists at least one root, one root in closed one root. You can say C belonging to 0, comma 1, such that f of c is equal to, sorry, q of c is equal to 0. And what is q of c? Q of c is equal to f of x minus of 1 minus x. So actually f of c minus of 1 minus c equal to 0. This implies f of c is equal to 1 minus c. I hope it is clear to everyone. Hence proved. Okay, just look at the expression which you have to prove. Next. Our next topic is functions. Functions continuous at only one point. Tell me, last problem, everyone understood? Soham, Rishabh, did you people understand? Aipsha, Shita, Shubhangi, Shinika, did you people understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ronak, Rasheshwari, Adrito, Anvesha, did you people understand? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes.
If there's anyone who didn't understand any step, let me know. Functions continuous only at one point. Only at one point and defined everywhere. So function is defined everywhere, but it is continuous only at one point. Okay, let us see everyone. Or you can say single point continuity. Single point continuity. Pay attention. Okay. For example, f of x equal to x when x belongs to rational numbers and is equal to 0 if x does not belong to rational numbers. Pay attention, everyone. How will the graph look like? The graph will look somewhat like this. The graph will look somewhat like this. F of x equal to x means it will be a straight line, but dotted. It will be a straight line, but dotted. Can you people understand? Because between every rational number, there exists an irrational number, right? It will be a straight line, but dotted. Next. Same thing will happen on x-axis. It will be a straight line, but dotted. Are you people getting? Tell me. Straight line, but dotted on x-axis. Because it is equal to 0 and x belongs to rational. Acha, wait. I have done a mistake. X does not belong to rational. Okay. But over here, there is a catch, everyone. At 0, there will be a longest branch. You'll get the longest branch at x equal to 0. Okay. So everyone, here, here, LHL and RHL, here LHL and RHL, at every point, except x equal to 0, is oscillating as there are infinite number of rationals, as there are infinite number of rationals and irrational points and irrational points around every point. Okay, there are infinitely many rationals and irrationals around every point. Okay, and the longest branch will be at x equal to 0. Will be at x equal to 0. Means it is continuous only at x equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x will be equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. Both are equal to 0. So f of x is continuous. It's continuous only at x equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. So this is the concept of single point continuity. Okay. Next, last topic. Oh, last. No, this one is done only. Okay.
So can you show the first part, first line of the paragraph?
Yes. Tell me. Has everyone understood this part? Tell me, Ronak, Samragni, Rishabh, is it clear? Protoy,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ahir, Shavankit, is it clear?
So
Okay. Okay, so congratulations, everyone. One more chapter is complete. Continuity is over. Okay, one problem based on this single point of continuity, I'll give it as homework. Okay, next. I have some time left, so I'll start with derivability. You people have school tomorrow. How many of you have school tomorrow? Raise your hand. Let me see. Oh, some people have school tomorrow. Okay, then I'll take some time. I'll just discuss the introduction of differentiability. Okay, when will DPS give holiday? I don't know.
So tomorrow is the last day.
Tomorrow only is the last day,
Yes, sir.
and you people will go. Yeah, how many of you are going to school tomorrow? Raise your hand. Let's see. Oh, some people are going. Only one. Acha. Differentiability. Tomorrow is the last day of school. Okay, so I'll just discuss little bit of differentiability. Okay, last part everyone understood, right? Tell me. Tell me, Abhigyan, Abhishek, did you people understand, right? Single point
yes, sir.
continuity. Agniba, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So everyone, let us start with differentiability. Or you can say derivability. Okay. So everyone, uh, what is differentiability? Pay attention. I'll discuss differentiability. Everyone pay attention. First of all, you people remember I've done this before also, that if you want to find out the average speed, let us say that this is the displacement time graph. Okay. You want to find out the average speed between 2 points. Right. How do we find out, everyone? If I want to find out the average speed of the particle between A and B, how do we do it? By finding out the slope, right? Joining these 2 points. Right. Let us say that this point is A comma f of A, and this point is B comma f of B. Right. Tell me, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. And actually, this straight line is the chord of the curve. Right. So we are finding out the slope of the chord. Okay. This is f of A and this is f of B. Okay. So what is the slope? Slope is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Okay. That is the average rate of change of a function. Okay. So average rate of change of f of x. is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, next. Now everyone, as the interval decreases, okay, as the interval decreases, let us say I want to find out the average rate of change in the smallest interval possible. Then what is it known as? Tell me. If I reduce the interval,
So,
what is it known as?
Instantaneous.
Instantaneous rate of change, right? You people know? Okay.
yes.
And over here, we are finding the slope of the tangent to the curve. Right? Tell me, everyone. We are finding the slope of tangent to the curve. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. I had done this before also in basic maths, if you remember. Tell me, those who are online, if you people have any doubt, you can ask me now. Instantaneous rate of change. Okay. So the instantaneous rate of change, the instantaneous rate of change of f of x with respect to x, with respect to x at a is the derivative, is the derivative that is in average rate of change, average rate of change b and a should be very close, should be very close to each other. Okay. And how can we bring b and a close to each other? Tell me. By using what? We can bring them close by using the concept of, we can bring them close
The limits.
by using limits. Okay. So everyone pay attention. So in f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, if b tends to a, then average rate of change, an average rate of change becomes instantaneous rate of change, becomes instantaneous rate of change rate of change at point A. So I can say, therefore, f dash A is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of A plus h minus f of A. Okay, wait, first of all, let me write it with b minus A, okay? F dash A is equal to limit b minus A tends to 0, or you can say b tends to A, okay? F of b minus f of A divided by b minus A. Are you people getting? If you are unable to understand, let me know, provided that the limit exists, provided that the limit exists at x equal to a. Okay, next. Further, if you taking h is equal to b minus a, you can say f dash a is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? This is the definition of derivative. And this is how we can find out the derivative of a function. Okay, at a point. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, twofold meaning. Twofold meaning. Twofold meaning of derivative. Okay, there are two different meanings of derivative. Pay attention. Number one, geometrical meaning. Geometrical meaning. One is the slope of the tangent drawn to the curve. Slope of the tangent drawn to the curve. Drawn to the curve at x equal to a. If it exists. Okay, it will represent the slope of the tangent drawn to the curve. Number two, physical meaning of derivative. Physical meaning of derivative. Okay, that is instantaneous rate of change of function. Instantaneous rate of change of function. Instantaneous rate of change of function. Okay. Next, note tangent at a point. Tangent at a point. Tangent at a point is the limiting case of case of secant through a. The limiting case of secant through a. How? Everyone pay attention. Okay. See, this is the curve. Okay. You take 2 points. Point A comma f of a, and point B, a plus h, comma f of a plus h. Okay. You can take another point C. You can take another point C, a minus h, comma f of a minus h. Okay. So everyone, if you find out the rate of change of function between a and b, okay, this is the rate of change. Now this is still a secant, right? Everyone, this particular straight line, this is still a secant. Next, as b approaches towards a, as B approaches towards A. Okay, this is still a secant. As B approaches towards A, this is still a secant. Okay, as B approaches towards A, this is still a secant. Okay, but when B and A are very close to each other, okay, when B and A are very close to each other, okay, then it will become a tangent. Okay, whether you approach from the right hand side or you approach from the left hand side. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Tell me, Abhigyan, are you getting? Abhigyan, Oipsha, Shesi, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adito, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, are you people getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Samragni, are you getting this? Okay. Let us see. Slope can also be written as rate of change. Slope can also be written as f of a plus h minus f of a by a plus h minus a, which can also be written as f of a minus h upon a minus of a minus h. Sorry. A minus h y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Two minus y1 f of a minus h by a minus h. Okay. If you people have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Next. Existence of derivative. When can we say that the derivative exists? Existence of derivative. Pay attention. When right hand derivative, okay, the derivative of f of x at x equal to a exists if left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Okay. By definition, by definition, f dash a plus is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus, means approaching from the right hand side, f of a plus h minus f of a by h, f dash a plus, and this is LSD. I mean RS. This is right hand derivative by definition. This is RSD, and LSD will be equal to f dash a minus, which is equal to same thing, but limit h tends to 0 minus. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Tell me, Azija, is it clear? The
Yes, sir.
derivative of f of x exists if f dash a plus is equal to f dash at a minus. Is equal to f dash at a minus. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Is equal to some finite quantity. Is equal to some finite quantity. Okay. Then only we can say that f is derivable. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So let us do one last problem, everyone. One last problem for today. Let us do one last problem. Question number 1. Check if the function f of x equal to mod ln x is differentiable is differentiable at x equal to 1 or not. Check, everyone. This is the last one. You have to just tell me whether it is differentiable or not.
Sir, could you check?
Checking. Yes, Soham, your answer is correct. What about others? Others also write your answers. You have to tell me whether the function is differentiable or not.
Sir, I've sent you the answer.
Okay, let me see. Yes, Ajito, right answer. Adrisha, right answer. Ahir, right answer. Shinika, right answer. Shashwat, right answer. Others also write your answers. Ritam, write your answers. Pratyay, Shrita, Abhigyan, Aisha, write your answers. Everyone. Yes, Aisha, right answer. Yes, Shania, check your answer again. Ronak, right answer. Rishabh, right answer. Agriva, right answer. Anvesha, right answer. Ritam, right answer. Everyone pay attention. F of x equal to ln x. I mean mod ln x. Pay attention. What is f dash at 1? F dash at 1 will be equal to limit h tends to 0. So we need to find out f dash at 1 plus and f dash at 1 minus. Okay. It will be equal to limit h tends to 0 mod of ln 1 plus h by h. Okay, let us convert it into standard form. Multiplied by mod of h multiplied by mod of h. So finally we are getting, see this is the standard form. Are people getting? This is actually the standard form. Okay. This part will become 1. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So it will become limit h tends to 0 mod of h by h. Let us calculate what is f dash at 1 plus. F dash at 1 plus will be equal to limit h tends to 0 plus. Now when h is 0 plus, it will be h by h will be 1. F dash at 1 minus, it will be equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h by h, which is equal to minus 1. So since f dash at 1 plus is not equal to f dash at 1 minus, okay, this implies f is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Ritam? Oh, Ritam, you have given the correct answer. Shania, is it clear? Protoy,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Rasheshwari,
sir.
Anvesha, Ronak, is it clear? Sheeta,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear?
Yes.
Shreyasi, Shuvankit, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Soham, tell me, you are asking something?
So could you scroll above a bit? Existence of perimeter part. So
Yes.
LHD it would be a minus h, right?
LSD, it would be A minus
A,
H. Why? No, why?
because it's little less than zero. So
Uh,
which everything is a sorry. So it becomes a minus h. F of a minus.
yes, yes. But over here, don't you see that I have written H tends to 0 minus?
Oh yeah, right.
Yes, that sums up. Right, so,
Yeah, you did that. Okay.
okay. If I had written H tends to 0 plus, then I would have written F of A
Yeah,
minus.
got
Okay, I hope you have understood.
yes, I got it.
Okay, so everyone, I think we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Thank you, everyone, and good night. I'll send everything in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you and good night, everyone. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.